In past few years, there is an increase in utilization of tea tree oil in cosmetic industry. In this video we will discuss about effectiveness of tea tree oil and what does the researchers said about tea tree oil for acne treatment. Tea tree oil is an essential oil derived mainly from a plant native to Australia known as Melaleuca alternifolia. It's been a traditional medicine used by native Aborigines for centuries, who applied it topically for skin healing. It has a long lengthy list of phytochemicals, one of the major ones being a compound known as terpenin 4-ol. This compound has all the good stuff. It has a strong antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effect. That is precisely what makes tea tree oil such a good pick for acne-prone skin. Tea tree oil, unlike many other essential oils, is non-comedogenic and won't clog pores. Tea tree oil has a broad spectrum of antimicrobial activity, against even Staphylococcus aureus, and Propionibacterium acnes, too. This was even scientifically proven in a study published in 2020 in the Saudi Journal of Biological Sciences that terpenin 4-ol is the active ingredient in the tea tree oil that destabilizes the cell of the bacteria, essentially killing it. At the same time, it decreases the inflammatory cascades that stimulate inflammation and redness, a major benefit for acne-plagued skin. Tea tree oil can work on both comedonal acne and inflammatory acne. It reduces the number of acne lesions as well as the severity of these lesions, so much so, that it's even been compared with another antibacterial acne fighter, benzoyl peroxide. In a comparative study on tea tree oil versus 5% benzoyl peroxide, published in the Medical Journal of Australia, it was noticed that both treatments effectively addressed comedonal and inflammatory acne. Tea tree oil was a bit slower to work, but it did win out when it came to having less irksome side effects associated with it. Tea tree oil is moisturizing, which differentiates it from topical benzoyl peroxide and retinoids, which are usually drying. How to use tea tree oil to treat acne? Find this in our next video. For more updates, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.